second one, classroom. Professor Inol stand in front of the classroom, introducing the topic of why English for business matters to the students. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Today, I want to discuss a topic that I believe is crucial for your future success in the business world. Why English for business matter? As business student, you are already aware of the importance of strong communication skills. However, in today's globalized economy, proficiency in English has become a prerequisite for thriving in the business arena. My experience. Of course, Cesar. Please go ahead.
Thank you, Professor. Last summer, I had the opportunity to interact an international company during the selection process on one of the key factors that set me apart from other candidates was my English proficiency on my professional growth.
Thank you for sharing that, Cesar. Your experience perfectly illustrates the importance for English for business. In a globalized economy, companies are expanding their operations across borders, engaging in international trade and collaborating with partners from diverse cultural backgrounds. English serves as a common language, enabling effective communication and fostering successful business relationships.
I completely agree. Professor Inul, English has become the language of the business world. If our companies do language and operation global scale, where is negotiating contracts, publishing consultation, or participating in conference, English proficiency is crucial for professionals who convey their idea clear and confidently.
Absolutely unique. Even in your local business environment, English play a critical role, network, and even job interview and business meetings often require proficiency in English. It's not just about speaking the language, it is about understanding the nuance, cultural reference, and idiomatic expression that equally effective and communicates and good record with clients and colleagues and partners.
Well said, Viola. English language skills provide you with a competitive edge in the job market. Many multinational companies work with candidates who can communicate professionally in English. It opens up a world of opportunities, allowing you to work in the different countries and access international job markets where English is the primary language of business. Alright, class, let's take a slightly different approach to enhance our English for business learning today. I want you to explore the power of music in language excretion. So, I am going to ask you all to participate in a fun activity. We are going to learn English for business song.
That sounds interesting, Professor Ivo. How are we going to do that?
Great question, Sefa. I have selected a popular English song with business-related lyrics. Well, listen to the song together, analyze the vocabulary and expression used, and discuss how they relate to the business content. Then, we will even have a chance to sing the song ourselves with some modification to make it business friendly.
That sounds like a creative way to learn and practice language skill and excellence.
I have the song or music titled I Wake Up.
Yay! Professor Ivo, I noticed who the song highlight the importance of teamwork and collaboration in the business world. I remember of our recent group project and how effective communication and conversation play a significant role in our success.
Excellent observation, Viola. Music has a way of capturing the essence of different aspects of life, including the business environment. It helps us connect emotionally with the concept we are learning and reinforces our understanding.
Alternatively, modified the lyric to make it business made like you mentioned.
Absolutely. Let's divide into group and work together to rewrite the lyrics of the song. Incorporating business-related vocabulary, idioms, and expression. This will not only be a fun and creative exercise, but also an opportunity to reinforce what we've discussed today.
we shall perform or repeat version of the song in class.
That's a fantastic idea, Ferry. Let's set a date for a mini performance where each group can present their business theme lyrics and sing together. It will be a great opportunity to showcase our linguistic skill and creativity.
Okay guys, let's go to home.
Kayak pemaksaan ya.
Let's go guys.
Masuk guys.
Okay, let's start analyzing the original lyrics of the song English for Business. It talks about the importance of effective communication and professional skill in the business world. What are some key perceived or lines that stand out to you, Harry?
One line that caught my attention is speak the language of success, unlock the door to progress. It emphasizes how mastering English can open up opportunities for growth and advancements in our careers.
I agree. It's crucial to have strong language skills to navigate the global business landscape. Another line that resonates with me is from bedroom to negotiation. English is the key to collaboration. It highlights the role of English in facilitating collaboration and building relationship with partner and clients.
Absolutely. Effective communication is essential in business. Whether it is make presentation, negotiation deals, or working in the teams. The line with English by your side, your will soar X and Y. Showcase how English proficiency and can help use Excel and reach new heights in our professional endeavors.
We can also incorporate some business specific vocabulary and expressions into the lyric. For example, we can mention terms like market trends, strategy planning, or global expansion to make it more relevant to our studies.
That's a great idea, Ferry. Include business jargon will not only reinforce our understanding of those terms but also make the song more information and engaging.
Let's also highlight the importance of cross-cultural communication and adaptability in the business world. We can mention how English bridges cultural gaps and enables us to work seamlessly with diverse teams and international clients.
Excellent point, Dian. It critical to acknowledge the significance of the cultural intelligence in today's global business environment.
So, let's combine all these ideas and start crafting or modify lyric. We can to capture the essence of the original song while incorporating business relate concepts and vocabulary.
I think we have a great set of lyric now. It is informative, engaging, and capture the essence of what we have learning today.
Great, I am excited to perform it in front of the class and showcase the real relevance of English for business.
Our group has done an excellent job. Let's be healthy and make sure we are all confident with the modified lyric. I can't wait for our performance.
In the world of business, where dreams come alive, English is the mess that help us live free. Speak the language of success, unlock the doors to progress where things last. Love is soaring and wide. English for business. The can also says from birth to future, lifting yours progress. Market trends and strategies will understand what to say. English for business or pathway to success. English for business or pathway to success.
English for business or pathway to success.
Alright, let's dive into the lyric of our modified song Why English for Business Matters. We want to limelight the significance of English in the business world. What are some key lines or process where we solve in the club, Lisa? Elma.
One line that immediately comes to me is English, the language of global commerce. A skill we can dismiss. It emphasizes how English is the primary language as is international business transaction and how crucial it is for use to master it.
I agree. We should also mention the importance of clear and concise communication in the business context. Something like from email to presentation. English help us comply with questions. It shows how English focusing enable us to effectively communicate our ideas and message in various professional settings.
Absolutely, and let's not forget about the import of English on career opportunities. We can include lines like white English in our talking. We unlock door to worldwide conquest in highlights how proficiency in English expands our job prospects and allows us to work in different countries or multinational companies.
We could also mention the role of English in networking and building professional reputation. For example, English builds communication, breaking barriers far and near. It showcases how English proficiency facilitates connection with clients, colleagues, and partners from diverse cultural backgrounds.
That excellent point, Emma. We should also address the importance of English in existing business, persuasive and knowledge. How about including online English grants us access to foreign insight, empowering us to give opportunities. How English proficiency enables us to tap into a wealth of information and stay updated with industry trends.
I love that line with it captures the idea that English proficiency is not just about communication but also about gaining a competitive edge in the business world.
So let's combine all these ideas and start crafting or modify lyrics. We want to convey the message that English for business is not just a skill but a gateway to success and growth.
I think we were quite compelling set of lyrics. It encapsulates the importance of English for business and encapsulates our understanding of its import on professional success.
I agree, our message is clear and the lyrics are engaging. I can well to perform before the class and showcase the importance of English in the business world.
We love everyone. Let's resist and make sure we deliver the song with confidence and enthusiasm. I'm excited to share our creation with the class.
We can dismiss in the bliss world is the bliss from English to precision. English help us to communication. On looking back to success is performance mission. Why English for business nerds? Let's explore our category. As study our skill we can building this connection. Breaking this for English. Get us to step forward. When English in us talking, for many possibilities, our focus when it will be. English like Cairo, working in fashion. It's the language
Thank you all for joining me today. I hope it will be great to have a casual meeting outside the classroom to discuss the relevance of English for business. Let's order our drink and drift into the topic.
I will have a question of please, professors. Why do you think English is so important for business in various industries?
Well, English has become the lingua franca of the business world. It's the language used for international trade, negotiations, and collaborations. Regardless of the industry, having a strong command of English opens up a world of opportunities.
Absolutely. I recently read a case study about a multinational company that expanded its operation globally. Their success was attributed in part to effective English communication with partners and clients from different countries.
That interesting. I have a friend who works in the fish industry and she mentioned how important English is for software development. They collaborate with colleagues from various countries and English is the common language that enables smooth communication and efficient project management.
That's a great example. In today's interconnected world, business often operates on a global scale. English proficiency allows professionals to work seamlessly with diverse teams, regardless of their native language.
I agree. I interned the marketing agency last summer, and I witnessed the firsthand how curricular English is in creating effectively companies or international clients. The ability to understand cultural nuances and adapt marketing message accordingly is vital. Don't lose glance. I intend a business conference recently where successful entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs shared their stories. Many of them speak with how their English language skill played a significant role in building connection and securing international partnership. It clear the language proficiency contributes to professional growth.
Absolutely. Language proficiency not only facilitates communication but also demonstrates cultural intelligence and adaptability. Employer value the skill when considering candidates for key positions.
I think it's great that we're having this conversation in a relaxed setting. It so that English is not just a subject we study in the classroom, but a practical tool we use in real life situations.
Precisely. Language learning is not limited to textbooks and exams. It's about effectively using the language in authentic context. That's why I wanted social setting.
This discussion actually engaging. Its motivation to see how English professions can make a real difference in various industries.
Differently, I feel more inspired to continue honing my English skill and exploring how they can contribute to my future career.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember, English for Business is not just about vocabulary and grammar. It's about understanding the cultural nuances, building relationships, and effectively communicating ideas. Keep practice and exploring real-world examples, and you will be well prepared for your future endeavors. Thank you, Group 1 and Group 2, for preparing your song. I'm excited to hear them and learn why you choose this particular songs. Let's start with Group 1. Please take the step. Well done, Group 1. That was a fantastic performance. Now, please explain why you choose to sing this song and what message you wanted to convey.
Thank you, Professor Ibu. Because to sing English for Business, because we want to emphasize the importance of English language skill in the business world. We believe that English proficiency is a key asset for success in various industries. Proud of song, we want to inspire our classmates and highlight how mastering English can open doors to career opportunities, effective communication, and global collaboration. We want to showcase the practical relevance of English in real-life business scenario and motivate our peers to prioritize their language learning. We hope that our performance and message resonate with everyone.
Thank you, Group 1. Your song beautiful captured the significance of English for Business and delivered a powerful message. Now, let's hear from Group 2. Please take the step. Excellent job, Group 2. Your performance was engaging and captivating. Now, please share with us why you choose this song and what you aimed to continue talking.
Thank you, Professor Ino. First to see why English for Business matters. Because we went to the night to practical application of English language skill in various industry in our song. We wanted to the emphasis the English is not just a subject we study but I wonderful for the English effective.
Thank you, Group 2. Your song was impactful and your message was clear. You effectively showcased the practical significance of English for business and motivate your peers to embrace language learning as a means to excel in their professional journey. I commend both groups for their thoughtful performance and the meaningful message conveyed through their songs. Well done, everyone.
I really Professor Inul thanks and she made he improves very of the interactive activities and discussion that keep us engaged in the learning process. It's not just about lectures and not talking. He encouraged us to apart the activity actively would help us writing the information better. Additionally, his emphasis on practical application and real life activities has been beneficial in understanding how English applies to the freight industry.
I agree with Professor Inol. Teaching lesson is very effective. It creates a positive and inclusive learning environment where everyone feel comfortable to sit, hear, talk, and listen. This promotes active participation and collaborative learning. I noticed that I'm more motivated to learn and more actively skill because of this teaching approach.
I could not agree. Professor Inul teaching method is student centered, which is privacy. She understands that each of you has different learning style and adapt his lesson accordingly. Whether it's through group activity, presentation, or even incorporating technology, she ensures that we reference a well-rounded learning experience. This approach has differently contributed to my overall progress in English.
Absolutely, Professor Inul. Teaching method is focused on practicality. He does just teach us grammar and vocabulary. He helps us understand how to apply the skill in real life situation, apprenticeship that he incorporates case studies, discussion, and role-playing exercises. It helps us develop our communication skill and prepares us for the challenge we face in the business world.
I'm from Professor Inul. Teaching method to be very engaging. He uses a variety of resources such as video, article, and interactive online platform to supplement our learning. This keeps the class interesting and helps us stay connection to current trend and industry practice. I believe that this exposure to different content will benefit our understanding of English for business.
Professor Inul teaching method has been incredibly beneficial for me. His focus on practical application and real-world examples has given me a deeper understanding of how English in is used in the business context. He encourages to study critically, analyzing case studies, and actively participate in discussion. This has not only improved my language skill but also enhanced my problem solving and analytical abilities.
Audio Jungle.